I don't know if it's a portent of doom. It might be, it might not be. But Monday started with my Spotify Discover Weekly playing a song from an album I played yesterday. How you get me to discover something I've known since the 80s and something which I played yesterday? That is just dumbassery of the highest level. Does me head in. And then of course I've also made the mistake of needing to listen to loads of ambient music lately to sleep, perchance to dream. So in with the normal music is just loads of really, really sparse, dark drone ambient music, which is boss, but on a Monday morning when you need a little bit of je ne sais quoi, just doesn't hit the spot, does it? Also the camera angle is because the mounts that I have normally on the air vent are getting knackered. I think I might need new air vents. It's only about 20 quid for the part, but it involves taking half the dashboard off. So that no es bueno, etc. It is a strange morning. Bit overcast, car lights are on, auto lights are on, you know what I mean? Should be misty, it looks like it really should be misty, but it isn't. But it's cloudy, loads of cloud. Coming back this way when really I don't need to be here. Something I need to do, or something I want to do. No clues, no clues. Oh, how far down was it? Go on, how far down was it? I just come down here to do something and I think it's disappeared. No, it hasn't. Now, this makes no sense to any of you at all. I know that. But I don't care. Oh man, I'm so tired. I know I say this all the time, don't I? I am so tired. Right, I'm taking a picture. This is something I do. Vámonos, come on. Get out at road. Do you know what? School traffic is absolutely abysmal. I've got a theory about that, you know. Go on, come through. I reckon being a parent is tough work. And I reckon all these parents spend most nights absolutely wind up to the hilt. I know I used to all the time, you know what I mean? So in the morning, they're all still a little bit tipsy. Which is why they drive like idiots. That's my theory, I'm sticking to it. A little bit tipsy and in a rush, which is not a good combination, is it? Say yes, ball. That was Paul Daniels, by the way. Say yes, ball. Used to say that all the time. I used to live. That's the magician that many people will remember of my age. He used to live in the next street over from us when we lived in Middlesbrough. We lived in Cricket Lane, and just over the road there's another road called Skipper's Lane. So it was all cricket related around there. And he used to live there. That's where he was from. Never saw him. I think he lived in London at that point, actually. He had a house up there. You may like it, you may not. Say yes, Paul. Confusing the life out of people in Indonesia now, aren't they? Yeah, oh, man. Do you know what this feels like? Genuinely, this feels like a school morning. The sunny days and the wintry days tend to stick in the mind, but 99% of the time, school mornings are like this. Drab, overcast, not cold, not warm, just a wee bit miserable. Oh, I need to get the wheat bag on when I get back, with my shoulder is sore again this morning. Very sore. If it's still sore at the end of the end of this week, I may well have to go and see a doctor about it, because I can't be putting up with this. I can't even take any medication for it, because I'm already on stuff. Not good, is it? Mind you, you can't take anything with anything, can you? So if you look at a thing of headache tablets, a packet of headache tablets, one of the side effects is a headache. Got a letter through from the plastic surgery people, because I'm going to have a general anaesthetic which knocks you out, and one of the possible side effects is death. Sound. Can't take this with that, 'cause it'll make you drowsy. I'm not asked about being drowsy, I just don't like the pain. Just tell me not to drive. Or is that oversimplifying it? This might make you drowsy, don't drive. Or operate heavy machinery. What I would like is a soluble cocodamol. But I definitely can't have that with pregabalin, can I? Oh, it's starting to get misty down there, you know. I like the mist. It's very atmospheric, very cinematic. It's that cinematic, that mist, lad. Oh, and yellow buzz. It's a buzz, but it's yellow. See how that's a good sign. Discover Weekly being awful is a bad sign, but yellow buzz negates that. Good things happen when you see yellow buzz. I think I've got loads to do today as well. Pretty sure I have. Don't like that. I don't like it when I've got overly busy days. I like it when I can just sort out during the week what I need to do and have it all done by the end of the week. Don't like it when I've got like 3 days worth of stuff to cram into one day. I still need to plan tomorrow as well. I have to go into the office. So I need to make sure I leave at the right time, find somewhere to park. Find out where people are, where are they all sat. I haven't been into the office for ages, so I haven't got a clue where anyone is. And I certainly haven't got a clue where the place that I've got to go to is. There's a room within our building which I haven't been to. We've been in the building for 4 years. Obviously I've spent the last 3 years not going into the office, and before that we had COVID, and then about 6 months ago went in, but I've never had to go in this particular room, so I don't know where it is. Someone will have to take me, which means I'll have to go and see my team first, obviously. Plus I want to go and see my team first. There are people that I've genuinely not seen for over 3 years. There's a few of them in there last time I went last year. It was last year, wasn't it? Or was it earlier this year? Oh, I can't remember. Don't matter. Yeah, but I've seen some of them, but not all of them, so it'd be nice to go in and just say hello. And for people to realise that I'm not actually deceased. I am still alive. Just. That'd be nice. Oh, man. Please don't have a stroke. Please don't. There's no need for it. Especially if you can avoid it. Don't have a stroke, man.